Yo, what's up guys? It's Dylan with Diverse Sport Research and Built to Drive Media. This is going to be part 2 of installing BC Super Lows onto the 2021 BRZ. We've already installed the front, so now we're going to go ahead and move to the rear section of the car. So what we're going to start by doing first is placing a jack under the car to support the rear lower control arm. Then we'll remove the tie rod Endlink like we did in the front, so we'll remove both sides. After we do that, we're gonna go ahead and take this axle carrier bolt out. Then we'll remove this. After we remove this one, we're gonna go inside of the trunk, remove some carpeting, and then we'll remove the top portion of the strut. In the trunk, there's gonna be some clips. You got one right here. We got one back here. We also have one here, one here, one here. We're gonna take this rear carpet out first. Put it on our parts table. Then we're gonna start unclipping these ones. That should give us access to these two bolts right here. So we're mounting these ISC lower control arms on the car. What we're gonna do is take a measurement from here to the middle of the bolt just to make sure it's almost similar. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna take the car to get a line, but we do want to get it as close as possible. Okay, so that's good. What we're gonna do is go ahead and lock them in place. Now we're moving to the trunk. We're gonna go ahead and use this 14mm. Now we're just gonna repeat the process to install the rears. I mean, that's fine, but All right guys, and that's pretty much it. That completes the install. That's it. That completes the rear section of the car. Always remember to torque everything down to the factory recommended torque specs. One thing that I did want to note is that these lower control arms are slightly longer than the factory lower control arms, so your car's gonna have a little bit camber. But again, you want to send this to the alignment shop when you're done doing your full install. On the next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly set, tune, and adjust these BC coilovers. That way you can optimize your ride and you could get as much bang for your buck as you possibly can. A lot of people throw suspension on the car and leave it untuned, which leads to premature failure. So I don't want that happening to you guys after you guys spend a lot of money on this type of setup. So I'm gonna show you guys how to properly adjust the suspension. That way it lasts long and you can enjoy the ride of your car. All right guys, this is Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media, signing out. Peace.